Let's now talk about specific challenges related to securing CPSs. Many CPSs are becoming more vulnerable to computer attacks for many different reasons. Accordingly, we need to develop strong adversary models, and we must also understand the differences in securing CPS systems versus traditional IT systems. A systematic study of the security of any system requires a description of the threats we expect to face. And developing an adversary model is a way to understand the scope of the problem and assess the risk. We're going to talk about various adversary models in a later lecture and actually throughout the entire course. But let's consider a few at a high level right now. So who would want to attack a CPS, especially ones that control critical infrastructure? And what are their capabilities? Well, one could argue, to some degree, the usual suspects. Maybe cybercriminals. Cybercriminals compromise computers anywhere they can find them, even in control systems. These attacks may not be targeted. For example, they don't have to have the intention of harming the control system, but they can cause negative effects. Of course, disgruntled employees, which are currently the major source of targeted computer attacks against control systems. Then you have various groups like terrorists, activists, hacktivists, or organized criminal groups. While there is no concrete public information to date about terrorists or activists targeting control systems via computer attacks, there is some evidence of the possible involvement of criminal groups. And nation-states, which could absolutely be a threat to control systems. This was rumored to be the case with Stuxnet and the recent attack on the Ukraine power grid. The main point here is that different groups have different motivations and different capabilities, thus resulting in different adversary models. This must be taken in consideration to precisely understand one's security posture.